Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making mango sorbet. So I'm going to tell you the difference between a sorbet and an ice cream. A sorbet is a type of frozen fruit that's been sliced into pieces and which is like grinded up, and then it was like a smooth type of texture. And when you put it in a container or a ice popsicle and freeze it again, it becomes a nice type of ice cream. It's similar to an ice cream. Difference is there's no sugar, there's no milk, there's nothing. But for an ice cream, there's milk, heavy cream, sugar, and all of that stuff. But this doesn't have anything. This is fresh, nice, and tasty. So let's see how it's gonna be made.